Spinach with eggs. Melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a small pan. Finely chop the onion, add to the pan and fry until golden. Once the onions begin to turn golden, add the spinach and sauté with the onions. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Once the spinach is warmed through, transfer to another small pan. Add 2 tablespoons of water. Crack the 2 eggs over the spinach, taking care not to break the yolks. Cover the pan with a lid and cook for about 5 to 7 minutes over medium heat. Serve hot.